Your mind is now open to becoming a millionaire. Prepare to visualize your new reality. Feel the warm sun on your skin as you stand in the center of a vast field of golden abundance. You see a path lined with coins and bills, leading you towards a mansion that represents your wealth. With every confident step, you repeat to yourself, "I now accept wealth into my life." As you reach the doorway, you affirm, "I am wealth." You feel the weight of keys in your hand, the keys to your financial freedom. I feel wealth consciously and subconsciously at all times echoes throughout the halls of your mansion. Your cheerful laughter mingles with the chimes of prosperity that sing with the wind. I now accept abundance into my life. You explore your garden, each flower blooming with new opportunities, the trees heavy with fruits of your success. You are resonating with the energy of the natural world, solid and fruitful. I am abundance. Your gaze falls upon a clear stream, its waters pure and sparkling with potential. You dip your hands in, feeling the flow of unlimited possibilities. I feel abundance consciously and subconsciously at all times. The reflection in the water smiles back with satisfaction, joy, affirmation. I now accept prosperity into my life. Birds of paradise fly overhead. Their brilliant colors are testament to the diverse ways wealth will manifest in your life. I am prosperity. The sun begins to set, painting the sky with the hues of your achievements. Amber, gold, and purple, a royal tapestry celebrating your journey. I feel prosperity consciously and subconsciously at all times. As daylight fades, the stars appear, each one a dream fulfilled, a goal achieved, a wish granted. I now accept financial success into my life. You are solid like the mountains in the distance, towering with strength and stability. I am financial success. In the depth of the nocturnal symphony, the whispers of nature assure you. I feel financial success consciously and subconsciously at all times. Now, stand atop the peak of your personal empire with pride. Appreciate the journey, the vision, the reality. I am successful. I am wealthy. I am abundant. I am fulfilled. You are now one with wealth. You are now aligned with abundance. You will attract prosperity.